Hello, boys and girls. Hello. My name is Roger. So say hello, Roger. Hello. How are you today? Are you good? Are you happy? Or are you not so happy? So sad, so sad. What's that? You're happy. That's good. That's great. Wow, what are we going to do today? Let's have a look, shall we? Let's have a look. What have we got here? What have we got here? Wow, can you see? Colours, colours, colours. Can you say it? Colours. That's right. Yellow, 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 yellow. What colour? Yellow. That's right. Red, 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 red. What colour? Red, red. That's right. Blue, 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 blue. What colour? What colour? Blue, blue. Green, 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 green. What colour? Green. That's right, green. What colour? Yellow, yellow. What colour? Red. Yes. What colour? Green. That's right. What colour? Blue, blue. Wow, done really well there. That's good. Okay, I look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.